Potty training QA. Potty training may pose challenges, but the rewards are invaluable. Beyond imparting a new skill to your puppy, this training can forge a stronger connection between you and your furry companion. Here are typical potty training issues pet owners encounter, along with effective solutions. 1. Why is my dog urinating in the crate? Dogs are instinctively inclined to avoid defecating or urinating in the same area where they eat or rest. If you observe your dog using their crate as a bathroom, it's crucial to delve deeper into the potential causes of this behavior. First and foremost, it's essential to consider any underlying health issues that may be contributing to this behavior. Dogs may resort to eliminating in their crate if they are experiencing medical problems such as urinary tract infections, gastrointestinal issues, or other ailments. Therefore, scheduling a prompt veterinary appointment is highly advisable to thoroughly assess your dog's health and rule out any potential medical concerns. Additionally, environmental factors and behavioral issues may also play a role in your dog's crate soiling behavior. Your dog might be feeling stressed, anxious, or uncomfortable in their crate, leading them to use it as a bathroom. In such cases, it's essential to evaluate the crate's size, cleanliness, and overall comfort level to ensure it meets your dog's needs. Providing a cozy and inviting environment within the crate, along with positive reinforcement training, can help alleviate any anxiety or discomfort your dog may be experiencing. Furthermore, your dog's potty training routine may need to be adjusted to address their needs adequately. Reassessing your puppy's potty schedule and ensuring they have ample opportunities to relieve themselves outside the crate can significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents. Consistency, patience, and positive reinforcement are key components of effective potty training, helping your dog understand where and when it's appropriate to eliminate. In summary, if your dog is using their crate as a bathroom, it's crucial to take a comprehensive approach to address the issue. By considering potential health concerns, environmental factors, and adjusting your dog's potty training routine, you can effectively prevent accidents and ensure your dog's overall well-being and comfort. 2. Why does my puppy enjoy walks but refuse to urinate outside? Many dogs, particularly puppies, often feel the urge to relieve themselves when they encounter the scent of other dogs during walks. While this behavior is common, it doesn't necessarily indicate that your dog is fully potty trained. Understanding how to address this issue can greatly improve your dog's bathroom habits and overall behavior. If you notice that your puppy frequently urinates during walks but rarely does so when leashed outside in your yard, it's important to take proactive steps to address this discrepancy. One effective strategy is to simulate the outdoor environment in your yard by walking your puppy on a leash. By doing so, you can create a familiar and controlled setting where your puppy can learn to associate the act of relieving themselves with being outside on a leash. During these leash walks in your yard, be patient and allow your puppy ample time to sniff around and find a suitable spot to urinate. Once they've relieved themselves, be sure to praise them and offer a small treat as positive reinforcement. This positive association can help reinforce the desired behavior and encourage your puppy to continue urinating outside during walks. In addition to leash walks in your yard, it's essential to establish a designated potty area where your dog feels comfortable relieving themselves. Choose a specific spot in your yard and consistently bring your dog to this area whenever they need to go. By consistently using the same spot, you can help reinforce the behavior and make it easier for your dog to understand where they should go potty. Regular maintenance of the designated potty area is also crucial. Keep the area clean and free of waste to prevent your dog from being deterred by unpleasant smells or sights. Consider using products specifically designed to eliminate odors and maintain a hygienic environment for your dog. 3. Why does my puppy have difficulty sleeping through the night without needing to pee? If your puppy is having difficulty sleeping through the night, it's essential to consider various factors that could be contributing to this behavior. One common reason is their young age, which may make it challenging for them to control their bladder throughout the night. Puppies have smaller bladders and may not yet have developed the ability to hold it for extended periods. Another factor to consider is separation anxiety. Dogs are social animals, and being separated from their owners, especially during the night, can cause stress and anxiety, leading to disruptive sleep patterns. If you notice that your dog is struggling to hold it through the night, it's crucial to address the issue proactively. One approach is to take them outside as frequently as possible within specific time intervals, especially before bedtime and immediately upon waking in the morning. This helps to reduce the likelihood of accidents indoors and reinforces appropriate bathroom habits. In addition to age and separation anxiety, there are several other potential factors that may contribute to a dog's inability to hold their bladder throughout the night. These include incontinence or excessive urination. This is more common in older dogs and can be caused by various medical conditions such as urinary tract infections, diabetes, or hormonal imbalances. If you suspect that your dog is experiencing incontinence, it's essential to consult with a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. Ectopic ureter. This is a congenital abnormality affecting the urinary system, where the ureter, the tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder, is improperly positioned. Dogs with ectopic ureter may have difficulty controlling their bladder and may exhibit symptoms such as frequent accidents or dribbling urine. Treatment options may vary depending on the severity of the condition and may include medication or surgery. Lack of proper potty training. If your dog was adopted from a rescue or obtained from a breeder without prior training efforts, they may not have learned appropriate bathroom habits. In such cases, it's essential to provide consistent and positive reinforcement-based training to teach them where and when it's appropriate to eliminate. This may involve crate training, establishing a regular potty schedule, and rewarding desired behavior. By addressing these potential factors and implementing appropriate training and management strategies, you can help your dog develop good bathroom habits and improve their ability to sleep through the night comfortably. 4. Why does my dog only urinate on grass? Experts in canine behavior and training have observed that many dogs tend to develop a preference for urinating on grass. This preference often stems from their early experiences and environment. Dogs who have primarily been exposed to grassy areas for elimination may become accustomed to the texture, scent, and familiarity of grass under their paws. To address this preference, pet owners can take proactive steps to accommodate their dog's needs. One option is to provide a small patch of grass or artificial turf, which can be placed on the patio or another designated area. This gives the dog a familiar surface for elimination, even in environments where natural grass is not readily available. Additionally, experts recommend training a specific potty command. By teaching the dog to associate a verbal cue or gesture with the act of elimination, owners can encourage their pets to relieve themselves on command, regardless of the surface beneath them. This can be particularly useful when traveling or in situations where access to grassy areas is limited. Furthermore, it's beneficial to expose dogs to a variety of ground surfaces during walks and outdoor activities. This exposure helps them become accustomed to different textures, smells, and environmental conditions. Gradually introducing dogs to surfaces such as pavement, gravel, sand, wooded areas, and carpeted surfaces can broaden their comfort zone and reduce their reliance on a single type of ground for elimination. Overall, understanding and accommodating a dog's preference for grassy surfaces requires patience, consistency, and proactive training efforts. By providing appropriate alternatives and opportunities for exposure, pet owners can help their dogs adapt to various environments while maintaining good bathroom habits. 5. Why does my dog run back inside before they finish peeing? If your dog heads back indoors before completing their business outside, it's essential to understand the potential reasons behind this behavior. As pointed out by experts, open door. One common reason could be that the door was left open, providing them with an easy retreat back inside where they feel more comfortable. Interruption. Dogs may also be interrupted while in the process of eliminating, either by a sudden noise, movement, or another pet or person approaching. Distraction. Dogs are naturally curious animals, and they may become too distracted by various sights, sounds, or smells in the outdoor environment, diverting their attention away from their bathroom duties. To effectively address this issue, consider the following suggestions recommended by experts. Relocate the potty area. If possible, relocate your dog's designated potty area to a quieter and less distracting spot in your yard or the surrounding area. This can help minimize potential disruptions and allow your dog to focus better on their business. Close supervision. Keep a close eye on your dog, especially during bathroom breaks. Try to prevent them from wandering off or getting distracted for extended periods. It's recommended to keep your puppy near you for no longer than 10 minutes before taking them out again, ensuring they have ample opportunity to relieve themselves without becoming too distracted. By implementing these strategies, you can help encourage your dog to complete their business outdoors successfully and minimize the chances of them returning indoors prematurely. 6. Why does my dog urinate when they're excited or submissive? If your dog tends to urinate when excited, it's important to manage their environment to minimize accidents. One effective strategy is to take them outside for greetings. By doing so, you provide them with an appropriate outlet for their excitement and reduce the chances of indoor urination. Furthermore, it's beneficial to implement a brief period of ignoring your puppy upon returning home or when guests arrive. This helps to prevent overstimulation, which can trigger urination. Aim to ignore your dog for around 20 to 30 minutes, allowing them time to decompress and settle down before engaging with them. On the other hand, if your dog exhibits submissive urination, the approach differs slightly. Submissive urination often occurs in response to perceived threats or displays of dominance. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid actions that may trigger this behavior, such as making a big fuss over arrivals, departures, or when putting on the leash. Instead, maintain a calm and relaxed demeanor during these times. Avoid direct eye contact, loud voices, or sudden movements that might intimidate your dog. By minimizing excitement and stress, you can help reduce the likelihood of submissive urination episodes. 7. Why does my dog take forever to pick a spot? If you find that your dog is taking an eternity to choose a spot to relieve themselves, it might be due to a few reasons. Firstly, they may not have a designated area in your yard where they know they're supposed to go potty. Dogs thrive on routine and consistency, so having a specific spot for them to go can help streamline the process. Another possibility is that your dog has too much space and freedom in the yard, leading to confusion about where exactly they're supposed to go. Without clear guidance, they may take longer to decide on a spot. To address this issue, it's recommended to establish a consistent routine by taking your dog to the same spot each time they need to go outside. This helps reinforce the idea that this particular area is meant for potty breaks. Consistency is key in training dogs, so sticking to this routine will help them understand what is expected of them. Additionally, if your dog tends to be fearful or anxious, this can also contribute to hesitation when choosing a spot to go potty. In such cases, experts suggest creating a designated potty area within your yard. This can be achieved by fencing off a specific area and covering it with a tarp to limit visibility. The enclosed space can help your dog feel more secure and less exposed, making them more comfortable with the elimination process. By implementing these strategies, you can help your dog feel more confident and relaxed when it comes to going potty outside, leading to quicker and more efficient bathroom breaks. 8. Why does my dog refuse to urinate while on a leash? According to experts, some dogs may exhibit reluctance to urinate while on a leash due to a variety of factors such as feeling too much spatial pressure, being excessively distracted, or experiencing feelings of fear and confinement. To effectively address this issue, one strategy is to utilize a lightweight training lead that is approximately 20 feet long. This extended length allows your dog to experience less pressure from the leash and provides them with a greater sense of space during their private moments. The aim is to help your dog feel more comfortable and relaxed while on the leash, ultimately encouraging them to relieve themselves more readily. Experts recommend introducing your dog to this type of leash gradually. Begin by putting the longer lead on your dog and engaging in playful activities in a familiar and comfortable environment, such as your yard. This allows your dog to become accustomed to the feel of the longer lead without associating it solely with bathroom breaks. As your dog becomes more comfortable with the extended lead, gradually decrease its length over time. This step-by-step approach helps your dog adjust gradually to the reduced length until it eventually resembles a standard leash. By easing your dog into the transition, you can help alleviate any anxiety or hesitation they may have about urinating while on a leash, ultimately promoting more successful and stress-free walks. In conclusion, potty training is a crucial aspect of responsible puppy parenting. While it requires hands-on effort and troubleshooting, it's essential to remember that it's not a one-size-fits-all process. If you ever feel unsure or stuck, don't hesitate to seek assistance from a qualified dog trainer.